Hi, my name is Ginika. So I want to give you a quick intro on what I did with my HelpDesk customer support tool, right? So this is my dashboard, and the dashboard is practically an overview of what you've been doing with your tool or your customer support tool, right? As you can see, I have 50 unresolved tools, right? I have 50 open. I have 48 unassigned, and then I have two resolved tickets, 51 received, and I have 100% SLA. So this dashboard practically shows what I've been doing and how far I have come with my tool. So move to the next one, ticket. Now ticket shows you all the tickets that have been assigned to you, the customer's problem or all the customer's queries that have been assigned to you. So if you want to search for a particular ticket, depending on what you want to do, you, you come to this search bar. You can see all tickets, all undelivered messages, all unresolved tickets, new and my open ticket. So it depending on what you want to do, that's what brings you to the search bar. And then let's move to the next one. The next one actually shows your contacts and your companies. If you want to add a contact, you click on the contact. Now this is practically all the contacts you have in your fresh text. This is all the contacts I have. And if I want to add a new contact, all I have to do is to click on new, and then I move down to contact, and I create my contacts, right? So that is how to add a contact to your fresh text. The next one is solutions. Now, this knowledge base is actually where your customers can easily get help from. So instead of you going over and over again explaining to different customers on a particular kind of problem, it's just for you to create a knowledge base. Now this knowledge base helps you to make references. Let's see what I did here. I created a knowledge base on how to use our products. Now, this knowledge base practically contains everything you need to know about how to use our product, initial setup, and everything. So let's assume a customer sent me a query or a problem that how can I use your product? It's just for me to like reply the customer with the link of this knowledge base I've created. So I come here, I click on that copy link, and then the link is copied. And then I go to the ticket and drop the link to my customer for what? For make my work easier, right? So that is the essence of this knowledge base. And then we move down to forums. Now forums is more like a space for your customers to interact, how far they've come with your products, what they're enjoying about your products, what they're not enjoying about your products, and just give you an insight of how they're using your products, right? And then we move towards analytics. Analytics, yeah. Analytics shows you what it's more like a report. This is where you report everything you've been doing. This is where you report everything that you're basically for what? For reports. If you want to report your work, this is for what? This is for report. And then you move towards admin. This is where you set up whatever you want to set up and make your fresh decks, your help decks um to customer support to work for you. So anything you want to set up, you come over here for your setup. Thank you for watching.